If you're going to spend the rest of your working life in the law, upholding the law, pursuing a commitment to law, I think it will be beneficial to understand where this commitment comes from in our tradition. Right? Why have we inherited this particular commitment to law? And to understand that commitment, we have to understand its religious roots. So therefore, if you want to spend the rest of your working life in the law, better do it with your eyes wide open. So the book examines the values of law, love and freedom in our legal and political tradition, and the motivation came from a particular visit I made to a monastery in England almost a decade ago now, where I observed the lives of the monks, and that captivated me, right? And their form of life captivated me, and I started thinking about it and thinking about the values that constituted that form of life, and I began to see similarities with our commitment to law, and that started a journey of thinking and reflection which resulted in the book. So it's important for us to understand religion if we want to understand the deeper commitments that we have inherited. And to understand that is not to commit oneself to saying whether it is good or bad, right? In fact, I don't take a stand on whether that religious inheritance is good or bad. It is what it is. And if we want to understand our current legal and political culture, we have to understand the commitments, and to understand the commitments, we have to look back into the past and trace the history of ideas, just to come to a clearer view of why we are committed to the things that we are committed. The monastic ideal, it's the paradigm case really. The life of the monk is entirely regulated by the monastic code. Right? The life of the monk is rule-based. The monastic rules tell the monk what clothes to wear, what prayers to say, what thoughts to think, when to say those prayers, what time to wake up, what time to sleep. So that is a very particularly distinctive form of life, right? And there we have the germ of the idea of structuring life under a code and under a set of rules. So the book tells a long story beginning with that and ending with modern constitutionalism. You can learn more about my book at the symposium on the 19th of February. Click on the link below to register.